Shalom. Hola. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Welcome to class. Bienvenidos. 1, 2, 3, vamos. Necesitas un lápiz y una libreta. Shalom. Hola. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Welcome to class. Bienvenidos. 1, 2, 3, vamos. You need your pencil and pad.
Come Sabbath prep with me. Happy prep day. My mom had shown me how to prep for Sabbath. Come with me to Sabbath prep. First, I will fold my clothes. All done, I will put them up. Second, I will make the lunches. Sandwich, yogurt, popcorn, and again. All done. Now I will wash dishes. Nice and clean. Now I will vacuum the floor. The floors are nice and clean. Last I need to clean my room. What a mess! Yes, I done. I can't wait for the Sabbath. Thank you for joining me. Until next time. Check out Royal Niños every Wednesday. That's right. Every Wednesday for new video content. Get it, like, share, and subscribe.